Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode. First of all, let me apologize for the technical issues that we had, and I can see that many people have left. I'm sorry about that. I hope you get this one on YouTube. All right. Once again, my name is Pat, the manager at the Reef Trading Academy. If you are interested in our free Reef synthetic indices signals, please subscribe to our Telegram channel via the link provided on the description, or you can join our WhatsApp group via the link provided on the description as well. So every Sunday, we are having a live stream session where we discuss and analyze our upcoming week watch list. If you have a question, don't hesitate. Just shoot straight to my inbox at the Reef Trading Academy or comment on the comment section. Before we continue, make sure you click on that sharp sign, click on that subscribe button, and finally click on that notification button, but that's only if you're watching this from YouTube. All right. Thank you, guys. Let us start. First of all, let us go back to our last week's watch list and see how they all performed. Last week we had V25. Last week we had V25, and on V25, what we're waiting for a buy opportunity. There, as you can see, I hope you can see on your screen there. Right. All right. Yeah. As you can see there on your screen, let me open our weekly time frame. All right. Last week it was around there. It was last week when it closed. It was around there. Okay. So we're waiting for a buying opportunity. Fortunately enough, we had an opportunity to buy. But then, as we all know, that in the market, it don't shoot straight up. So what happened there is that I think it was somewhere there where some other people chose to close the trade. Because remembering, I don't think our SL was hit by then, or maybe it did, but then we did not get in again. Okay. But then, just to cut the story short, this is what happened last week, because around there it was starting to play. So with this one, because we also consider this area here as our resistance level. So what happened there, when it started to playing like this, we chose to close. But then I know that others remained in and made profit there. That's fine. But then all in all, this one went exactly according to my prediction last week. Okay. Now, what else did we have last week? We had J10. We had jump 10. Here's our jump 10. Once again, let me open our weekly time frame there. Our weekly time frame. All right. Let's see. Zoom in. I hope you can see right there. It was around here where we had a hammer. This one right here was a hammer, of which I said it will buy. There is a possibility of it going up, and indeed it went up after this candlestick pattern there. Ladies and gents, please check out my last week's video about the candlestick patterns. You're gonna see what I'm talking about, because normally when you see this one, it is mostly a reversal candlestick. So you need to consider that whenever you're trading, especially from a bigger time frame, such as H4, D1, and week 1. Okay, so I predicted that it will go up, and yes, indeed, it went up. So if you are still in, if you are still holding from the signal that I gave you last week, because we got in here last week, it was Sunday, it was around there where my SL is at now. So I did not I did not hold that trade, so I just let it go. Okay, I just let it go. So what happens there is that it went according to our prediction as well. We'll see this week. So what is our last one? Our last one, we had step index. Step index. Let us go to step index. Let us go to step index. Ish, man. Step index. Step index, all right, right there. Right there, we said it was going to go down, or it was going to sell, or the sellers would be in control for the whole week last week. But then, unfortunately, it went its own way. And unfortunately, again, we got in there. It was around there. That's where we got substituted by the market. And that was the main cause for our main loss then. This one only went its way, so we lost that one. That was it. All two went according to our direction, only one went against us. Okay. So again, okay. That's fine. So we're done with our previous week's watch list. Now it is time for us to look at our upcoming week. I sent you guys our upcoming week watch list on our Telegram channel. And if you are watching this from any other platform like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, just make sure you subscribe to our Telegram channel for free signals. Okay. So on our weekly watch list, we have the following. We only have two of them, V25 and J10, and we already in both of them. Okay. So make sure you don't miss that one out. All right. Let's go to V10 again. Where is that V10? No, V25. Sorry. V25. Okay, in V25, we're expecting a buy. We're expecting a buy for a week, because as you can see, right here, the bulls were in control in the previous week, in our previous week's candlestick. So we are expecting them to continue to buy, or to continue be in control. But then again, what you have to be careful of, but what's there to be careful of, because we're already in. So here, this was actually a resistance there, as you can see, because it is above, but then I don't think it will have that much effect, on us. So here we made an entry there. Here's our TP. Here's our SL. On our TP, if everything goes well, is 291 on a minimum lot size. On a minimum lot size, guys. On a minimum lot size. Okay. And this one, we have our SL, which is our stop loss. If our SL is hit, then 54 USD will be gone by then. So that means 54 on the line, then 291 is our target. So guys, some other times I would like to say that you do not have to worry about the amount of money you are putting online, or the amount of money that you will lose if your SL is hit, because that's part of the game. Because even with this one, as our SL it says that if our SL is hit, we will lose 54 US dollar on a minimum lot size. I don't think it will even go that far to reach that 54. So normally maybe to reach maybe negative 10 and then shoot up, or maybe negative 25 shoot up. Depends. You know. But then I know most of the people are so much afraid that when you say if your SL is hit, you will lose 54 US dollar. Now they start to panic. No, I don't have this amount. No, I don't have that much, Like if you're trading with scared money, then you'll never make money. You need to be relaxed when you're trading. You need to be relaxed. After executing a trade, forget about it. Just your SL is there, your TP is there. Just relax, Especially with these two trades, with this two signal that I just gave today at 2 a.m. This one is nothing to be worried about. You just need to leave to let it run. Do not worry about the reversal candlesticks. Do not worry about any of those. If your SL, just wait for your SL to be hit, That's what I can say with this one. Okay. All right. Now let us go to jump 10. Jump 10, which is our second one and our last one, by the way. Our jump 10, again, where were we? Let me see. We're on. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. We are at jump 10, which is the last one. Again, you saw that on this weekly candlestick, we had that what's this? The hammer. And then this week, the bulls were indeed in control. So it is expected to go up until this far. So if our TP is hit, then we will get 72. If our SL is hit, then that's 25 US dollar. So 25 to 72, that's 2 times. So that's our risk reward ratio. I think it's 1 to 2 or 1 is to 3. No, I think 1 is to 2 then. So, yeah. Even this one, we are expecting it to go that way. And we already in as well. Even yesterday, as you can see, okay, maybe something that might disturb us a bit is this level here. But then I don't think it will have that much impact, But then again, if we see maybe a reversal there, you can consider closing your trade because already it will be profiting. Okay. All right, guys. Let me see if we still have something there. So on our WhatsApp group, guys, we had our members there asking me to analyze 1 or 2 of the instruments that they think will perform maybe better. I don't know which direction they are hoping for it to go. They said I should look at V75. That's what they said on V75. I should look at it and analyze it for them. Okay, with V75, what I see there, okay, the sellers last week or previous week, they were in control. The whole week, they were in control by the look of this candlestick here. Okay, let me zoom it. Maybe you won't see it properly. The sellers there, they were in control in most of the week. And once again, this type of support there was broken. But was it confirmed to be really, really broken? Not yet. Because looking at our previous daily candlestick, which is yesterday, this one, it shows that the sellers are now losing power. What that means is that there are chances that it will go up. It will go up, even though maybe it won't reach that level. Maybe it will turn back around somewhere there. I'm not sure. But then this candlestick, this yesterday's candlestick was not good. Was not actually good. Okay. All right. But then if you are selling, then I think it's fine as well. I think it's good. At least maybe if your TP maybe is around there, let me check. If your TP maybe if it is around there, then it's fine, because this is V75. It is more volatile, so you'd be making some money there. So as for today, I don't think it's a good day to make an entry there, unless you were already in long ago. Now, yeah, that's just my opinion, guys. That's just my opinion. I'm not saying what you think is wrong or what I'm saying is right, but then I'm just analyzing and say what I think. Okay. All right. Another one, we had a step index. They say I must look at step index and analyze it for them. Let me go and check step index. Here we have step index. I don't know what you were looking for here, but then on our weekly time frame, what we see there is that the buyers were in control, but they could not fully engulf that previous week. That means anything can happen there. Anything can happen there. Because looking at this, yeah, anything can happen. You just need to be careful. To be careful, anything can happen. Okay. All right. But then again, because the sellers are actually in dominant, so I think maybe sellers dominate this coming week. Not sure about it, but then I just think so. Okay. So our last one, we had V75 1S. V75 1S. Okay, looking at this one, okay, let's go to our weekly time frame. I don't actually like this one because I cannot actually analyze it very well, using my weekly time frame. Because as you can see, when I zoom out, this is what it shows, so it becomes very difficult for me to analyze an instrument like this. But then at least when I zoom in, okay, so what happened there is that last week the sellers were in control, but then the pressure was very low. So again, there you need to be careful if you are going to make an entry there. You need to be careful. But this one is much better because it is not that volatile, It is very low volatile. Okay. All right. So that's it for today, ladies and gents. Our live stream session has come to an end. Thank you all for attending. If you are attending, because I'm not seeing what is happening there on our live stream session. I'm only on the graphs, so I can't see. So I hope someone is listening, someone is attending. So if you attended, thank you very much. Hope you found this live stream session very informative and useful. And once again, on Wednesday, we are dropping part 2 of the candlestick pairings. You need to know, you need to understand these candlestick pairings because they are the key to your success in trading. Make sure you understand them. Make sure you know them. You understand them. You understand the psychology behind their formation and everything. So make sure you don't miss part 2 of our candlestick pairings. If you miss part 1, make sure you watch it so that you won't be left behind. Okay, thank you guys. See you again next week. same time, same place. Have a profitable week ahead. All right. All right. Shop, shop.